Truth or dare? Lie. Okay, great. It's pretty simple. You know how this works. We're going to pass it to you. There's going to be something on that shit. You're going to look at it, and then it's either truth or dare. We don't know. You don't get to choose.
I was not ready for this.
Okay, I got truth.
Oh, you got
Good,
truth.
not bad.
Tell us the question.
Who takes the most selfies during breaks?
You don't get to answer also.
You're right.
Thank you for being honest, Prajakta. You have to qualify that before Abhinav picks up another one.
I have to qualify that means?
Yes, you tell us something about taking selfies in breaks.
I mean, it is very difficult for me when I'm on a set and I've been explicitly told by Netflix कि Prajakta, this look cannot be revealed because I post stories all the time. मेरा career ही oversharing से बना पिछले 10 साल में. So it is very difficult for me. So I still share, but little bit here and
Can
there.
I please say I love Dimple's hair? It's banging.
The bangs?
It's banging.
Dude,
Can I
it took
please
me. It took me a while to get used to it. I was a little scandalized when I tried the bangs on first, but I think every girl can relate to the fact that every time you go through something tough, you want to go get bangs.
Yes, baby.
So I okay, good for Dimple.
And then we regret it for a little
Then
while.
you regret it,
Yes,
yeah.
thank you so much. Abhinav.
I got truth only. No, हंस क्यों रहे हो? एक second रुको. Who's the funniest person to work with and why?
Guess who?
Be honest.
No, see, there's a...
He's struggling to say anybody's name
अरे
but
नहीं,
his.
अरे नहीं.
But his own.
Rohit is funny 2 out of 10 times. I answered it. No, I answered it.
Thanks, Abhinav.
I love you,
for a
Rohit
lot.
Saraf!
We're clearly back in college, all of us. What is the most embarrassing thing you've ever done on set?
Okay, what's the most embarrassing thing you've ever done on set? Okay, so the first time Vinny was Essas and I shot a scene.
A scene.
A scene. The lovely cast and
Us? The three of us?
our friends who are always there for us and you know
Your cheerleaders.
so nice all the time. They thought it would be a great idea to support us
Very loudly.
by landing up on set, every one of them, to watch us and cheer like it's a football match.
I mean, let's be honest. That's as close as Anmol can get to football.
Yeah.
We're not holding back today. ऐसे लग रहा है हम live mismatch के set पर हैं यार. This is amazing. Well, let's just say, may you always have the support of your closest
But can I
friends.
just say that we had a great time. So you will also enjoy
I
it a
have
lot.
BTS that I may just share.
Oh my God!
Okay.
So clearly they had a great time. Thank you for sharing though.
Essas?
एहसास यार सबको ट्रूथ ही मिल रहा है मुझे डेयर निकालो एहसास प्लीज
Lip to lip.
Open your phone and reply to the last message using only emojis. Show the group the conversation.
It's not your mom.
देखो लास्ट
Guys,
मैसेज है
it's Mona. She said hey, so I can just say hi to.
बट using only emojis.
Sure, Mona said. Wait 1 second.
One second. I think.
Okay. Can I reply to this?
No, reply to someone official, na?
Mona said don't say anything.
Okay, she has sent an emoji to the lone person with a
Thumbs up.
अरे यार लोन पास होना
Guys,
है
please, मेरा.
कम ऑन दैट्स ओके दैट्स कंप्लीटली
ये सब नहीं
फाइन
कर सकते.
भाई अब सब मिलके
अब तेरा तो डेयरी आना चाहिए प्लीज अब जो हुआ है ना इस स्टेज पे
What is it?
It says make a reel right now and post on your gram.
Yeah, baby.
Right. If he does this, if Rohit Aesthetic Saraf posts a reel right now, will you do it?
Abhinav, fuck you. I'm gonna
Let's do it.
it.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Hi everyone, this is Rohit with my cast of Mismatched, and I just wanted to remind you that Mismatched Season 3 releases on December